First we're going to do is open Pinterest, and we're going to type in September vibes to look for a wallpaper. I like to get a couple of options. So we started with this one. Then this one caught my eye. Then I scrolled a little more to see if I could find another one. Came across this one, really like this one a lot. And then I decided to keep looking, and it did aesthetic, so provide aesthetic. And I found this next picture. And I think I have one more picture to help, so we have at least 5 options. So I'll keep scrolling on Pinterest, which is a great place to find wallpapers. And there we go. We got 5 options here. The next thing we're going to do is open up Canva, which is free to try. I love Canva. Then we're going to type ebook cover. Then we're going to go create a blank ebook cover and go to our pictures that we downloaded in our camera roll. And we're going to start with the first one that I see, and we're going to add it. And then we're going to expand it to fit the entire background. And it's really nice, but it's not filling the vibe for September. I feel like that's more for October. So let's undo what we did and try the next one, which I like this one too, but I don't think it goes for what I'm looking for September. And I tried another one, and this one is nice, but I wasn't feeling it either. So then I said, try the next one. That's 4 options, and not what I was looking for. And then I tried this one, and I was like, yes, this is the one that I want. So I kept this one. And then we're going to add a heading, and I'm going to just type September. And I automatically put it in black, but I want the letters to be more fluid with the color scheme. So I tried this one. It's too light. This is a nice one, then that one. And I kept going back and forth between these 2 colors. And the way I wanted to set it up, I felt this color would be best. So then we are going to arrange it the way we want. Oh, actually, I'm going to do the font first. So I like this one, Lato Bold. And then we are going to do the effect of echo. And I really liked how that looked. Now we're going to shift it and put it at this angle because I think it looks cute. Make it look like the bridge, across the bridge it says September. And now I'm just going to start making the font smaller so that it'll fit within the bridge the way I want it to. And I'm just aligning it better. And I love how that came out. I think that's perfect. And now you're going to save it to your photos. And then I'm going to open up the GoodNotes app. And I already have my notebook made September 2022. And this is where I'm going to put my bills. So you're going to tap here, put the before, and click on the image you want. And I accidentally saved it twice. And here it is. That is the end result. I hope you guys like this. If you want more videos like this, let me in the comments. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.